Hi, my name is Ugochukwu Emeka Chris Oglos, a student of Theatre and Film Studies, Faculty of Art, University of Nigeria, Nsukka, Enugu State, Nigeria. As I've said earlier, I'm a student of Department of Theatre and Film Studies, and my passion for this course is from childhood. I love this course. It has been my choice for over years, decades, and I finally, thank God, I made it. Right now, I have achieved so many things with the knowledge I've learned from this department. So many things that I cannot mention. Is it from the technical aspect, from their lighting, to the set, to makeup, and their costume. I've actually grabbed so many things. Then I am an actor at that, a very known actor, and I wish to grow more when I fall out from the border of this school. Yes, and for your information, I'm also a comedian, and this department actually have helped me a lot in my art as a comedian. As you can see, I'm still putting on their departmental wear to tell you how passionate I am about this department and this school like that. So this is me, MC Danky. That's the name that we answer. So peace out, one love.